Hello YouTubers, I've got a question for the old hams out there that are used to using tube equipment. In this case, a classic FT-101 line. It's an FT-101 Echo and the matching FL-2100B. I have it going through a bird with a 100 watt slug, 2 to 30 megahertz, into a oil-filled dummy load, which is enough to handle the power from these two units. I have it set to 80 meter on the band, and I've got it set to tune. And I'm just putting this on YouTube to see if I'm tuning this old beauty up properly. So the amplifier's not on operate right now, it's in standby. The radio, it has the heater on, tune mode selected, 80 meter. I've got the pre-select in the general right location for 80. I don't know if you can see that there. Right around here's 80. And then the plates are at about 80. I've got loading at about 2. And so I'll flip the manual operation button. Brings my amperage up to about 150 milliamps. I'm going to turn that down for tuning up purposes to about 80. I'll do it to 0.1 so it's easy to see. So we have it at 0.1, 100 milliamps. I'm going to peak the pre-select. Okay, it's peaked. Now I'm going to dip the plate. Alright, that's dipped. And peak the loading as well. Sorry, dip the loading. There we go. Now if you look at this on the bird, just to make sure I'm peaking properly, my output power is maxing out there at about 10 watts with only 100 milliamps current. That's just about right. Now I'm going to turn the maux off. Now I'm going to turn the amplifier on operate. This light is out, so believe it or not, the amp is on. Plate voltage is about 2200 volts. Got the band selection switch at 80. Got some cheat stickers up here to kind of let me know where to start. I'm going to put the camera on the bird meter. Hopefully it gets a good image there. Now I'm going to transmit on the 101, and I'm going to tune up the amp for peak output. Okay, it's doing about 35 watts. Only putting in about 10. And just to check, I can run the FT-101 according to the manual at a maximum of 150 milliamps in AM mode. So let's switch to AM. Flick the transmitter back on. I've got it at 150 milliamps. The amplifier is at a nice cool 180 milliamps. SWR is flat. And I'm peaking my meter over here. Probably a little hotter than I want to run it. So let's drop it down to about 80. Alright. And running this amp at 80 watts should keep this thing living long and prosperous. Any comments, please leave them. I don't expect to get much more out of this unit in AM on 80 meter. I don't want to overdrive it. I think running the FT-101 at 150 milliamps max and the amplifier at 200 milliamps max on AM, maybe it gets me 120 watts output on AM. That's pretty conservative. I don't want to overdrive it. I don't want to blow the tubes. It's a nice old unit. I want to take care of it. Suggestions are welcome. Can I get more out of it? Am I tuning it up wrong? Is my process incorrect? Let me know. Thanks for checking out the video. Bye, guys.